Her hair is all crazy too. Just looking around?
Mm-hmm.
What are you doing? What are you doing over there? What are you doing? Is it so much to look at? Yes? All your toys? Huh? Who's that? Is that Libby?
Get Libby.
She was trying to get it earlier. Is that Libby? Is that Mr. Owl? Hmm? Yes, get Libby. Get her. Get her. Yeah, you got her. Are you pulling her up with you? Ah, is she your friend? Is she your friend? Huh? Is he your friend? Is he? Is that the one you chose? Hmm? Yeah. Oh, pull your friend. Pull your friend. Mm-hmm. Which one? Mr. Owl or Miss Libby? Hmm? How about the phone? How about the phone, huh?
Get that cute face. Alexandra. Alexandra. Alexandra.
Hey, hey. Hi. Hey. Alexandra, baby. Baby.
She's into her toys.
Let's see. Look. Look it. Look it. Or maybe if I grab Libby. Hey. Hey. Wanna let it go? Wanna let it go? No? She doesn't wanna let it go. No? See, why are you guys making me work out before my dinner? Hmm? Hoo, hoo. Hoo, hoo. You're not gonna play with Mr. Owl? Hmm? Look. Mr. Owl. Yes.
Bless you.
Did she sneeze?
Mm-hmm.
Bless you, baby.
Bless
Oh,
you.
bless you. Bless you. Yes, God bless you. Yes. The other one? That's fake. Yes, it is. Now that's real.
Ooh, there's a yawn. Somebody's tired.
Someone's sleepy and tired. Sleepy and tired. Hungry and tired. Cough like you really mean it. See, Daddy, you could have combed my hair. You could have made me look pretty, put a little bow on my head. Okay. Well, that's enough of you trying to grab things, huh?
It's time to go eat.
Round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all through the town. You know that.